This is Tony with Rainbow Restoration, here to provide you another Rainbow Restoration Insight. One of the biggest questions homeowners ask after experiencing a claim is, should I wait for my insurance adjuster before doing anything? It feels like the safe move. Just hold off until the insurance carrier sees the damage. But here's the problem. Waiting can actually hurt your claim. Every insurance policy includes a duty for the homeowner to mitigate damages. That means you're responsible for taking reasonable steps to stop damage from getting worse. If water is pouring in, if damage is spreading, and if mold is starting to grow, you can't just sit back and do nothing and wait for someone to show up. Carriers actually expect you to act. Now, acting does not mean repairing everything before the adjuster arrives. What it does mean is you need to stabilize the situation. For example, shutting off the water, or boarding up a broken window, or even calling a restoration company to help you start the process of drying. At the same time, you should be documenting everything, taking pictures, recording videos, write down everything that happened. That way, when the adjuster arrives, you have the proof of the original damages and that you took the steps necessary to protect your property. On the other hand, if additional damage is not likely, for example, a cosmetic crack in the wall that is not spreading, then waiting might be fine. But here's the golden rule. Please don't make that decision in isolation. Get a trusted and qualified professional to evaluate the situation. In fact, many reputable restoration companies, including ours, will provide you an initial assessment at no cost. So you know that whether waiting is going to be safe or not. The bottom line is this. If you wait when you shouldn't, you may give your carrier a reason to deny or reduce your claim. If you act responsibly and document thoroughly, you'll protect both your home and your claim potential. So, should you wait for the adjuster? Not if it risks further damages. Act, document, and then let your adjuster do their job. If you're sitting at home right now and you're wondering whether or not to wait or take action, don't gamble. Call our team today and we'll give you clear guidance, and if needed, start mitigation immediately to protect your property and your claim. In our next series of videos, we're going to discuss the roles and responsibilities of the vested parties that may be associated to your claim.